Right? All right. Next question. Yes.
Now, how to differentiate between these two things, being a patriotic and not to indulge with an identity that's if we say that we are patriotic to our country and we are involving to our identity that is being an Indian. So how to differentiate that?
What's your name?
Digvijay.
Digvijay. Digvijay, have you already decided that you need to be a patriot? Then I can't answer your question. Are you firmly rooted in this belief that being a patriot is a must? If you have already decided that, then you won't listen.
No, we should be patriotic to our country.
Have you already decided that? Then how can we talk?
But I want to get this answer. How to differentiate?
You don't want an answer, you just want a reaffirmation. You want me to stamp and verify that it's alright. Or do you really want to come to the truth?
We are being taught in HIDP session that not to indulge with any identity, being an Hindu, being an Muslim,
Right.
or any other things.
Right.
So, if we are saying that we are patriotic to our country, what is this?
Beta, we are saying this or that, but whatever we are saying, do we understand what we are saying? What do you mean by country? What do you mean by country? What's your name? Digvijay. Right, Digvijay. Sit. Sit. What do you mean by country, Digvijay? What is the country? What is the country? You are so patriotic. And you roar aloud, India, India. What is India? What is India? What is India?
Just a geographical division of land.
Land. If you say India is land, then you are saying India is some kind of a plot, real estate. What is India?
Sir, it is a place where we live.
Place means land.
No, sir, it is a place where we live.
Where we live. Then you don't live in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is not India.
But you are in India.
Huh?
Sir, where we live, there
You are living right now here. So this is India and this is not India because this is not where you are living. I'm not an Indian, right? You want to take away my passport.
I think that all the states, all the people who live in different states of India, all are Indians.
But what is India?
Nation.
What do you mean by nation? Alright, don't give a circular answer. What do you mean by a country or a nation? Yes,
It's
please.
a kind of boundary and we've named it boundary India.
Boundary on the land. So you are coming again and again to the issue of land. Is India a piece of land? Is India a piece of land? Is that what your patriotism is all about? Is India a piece of land? But you don't know any India except a piece of land. And that's what you are so firmly rooted to. You know what? That's what animals do. Being territorial is an animal instinct. Have you ever seen animals? Once they say that this is my territory, they'll mark that territory and they'll not allow any other animal to enter it. Have you seen that? Dogs do that a lot. Is India a piece of land? Don't disappoint me, please. What is India?
सर इंडिया एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमारे दिल में है.
दुनिया में किसी के भी दिल में खून के अलावा कुछ नहीं है. थोड़ा खून है, थोड़ा मांस है. इन दोनों में से दिल क्या, इंडिया क्या है, ये बता दो.
तो किसी और देश के लिए तो हमारे लिए प्रेम नहीं है. We don't have love for any other country.
Right. But before we say we don't have love for any other country, let's first understand what this thing called country is. अगर मुझे यही नहीं पता कंट्री क्या है तो मैं लव कर किसको रहा हूं? अगर मुझे यही नहीं पता कि मैं कंट्री किसको कहता हूं तो तुम लव कर किसको रहे हो? बेटा ये मशीन है, यहाँ कुछ नहीं होता, यहाँ धड़कन होती है ऐसे ऐसे ऑटोमेटेड, ब्रेन यहाँ से सिग्नल भेजता है इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स और ये धड़कता रहता है। इसमें तुमने कुछ भी और डाल दिया ना, एक धूल का तिनका भी, तो हार्ट अटैक हो जाएगा। ये तो छोड़ ही दो कि इंडिया यहाँ हो सकता है।
तो मानेंगे
क्या है कंट्री, क्या है? What do you mean by country? Isn't it surprising and highly shocking that 20-year-olds that we are and patriotic citizens that we are, we do not know what we are patriotic about? And that is the reason our patriotism has a particular rottenness about it. Our patriotism is limited to posting something on Facebook about that Indian Army soldier, or to clamoring for a six when Dhoni comes to bat. But then we will evade taxes. Only 3% of India's population pays taxes, and India is so very patriotic. And these very people who steal money, who spoil public property, when it comes to patriotism, they will say Jhanda Uncha Rahe. Because you do not understand country, hence our patriotism is so very rotten, so very hypocritical. Have you ever tried to understand that the country is full of patriots, and these same patriots cause so much of damage to everybody around? Have you looked at Indian Railways? Have you looked at a railway platform? Have you looked at these mothers having their babies pissed on the tracks? And they are all great patriots. So she is having her baby piss on the track, and you go up to her and you say, you know, India is a great country, and she will say, yes, 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 I agree, India is a great country. And there is the baby irrigating the track. One day there would be great trees and orchards coming up. India is great after all, you know. Do we understand anything? Or are we just living a very blind life? Do we understand anything? It's not only about country or this or fear. Do you understand anything? Or are you just living on borrowed beliefs? What kind of life is this? What kind of life is this?
It is a life of common man.
Why must the common man be so stupid? Why must the common man be so stupid? Why must that be our fate? To live completely in ignorance. You don't want to be common when it comes to several other things, right? When it comes to choosing an engineering college, then you say, I want the best. When it comes to life and all the goodies that you can have, then you say, I want to be the best. Then you don't say, I want to be just, the common man. You want to be the common man? The common Indian man earns just rupees 3,500 per month. Alright? Be the common man. No, but you don't want to be common in that regard. But when it comes to looking at your mind, you find a defense. You say, I want to be the common man, I'm happy being the common man. In everything else, you want to be uncommon. My marks should be good, or do you want common marks? My girlfriend should be the most beautiful, or do you want a common girlfriend? But in this, look at the cunningness of the mind. It says, common man. Then be common. The common man has no more than 6 or 7 years of education. What are you doing here? Join him. The common man is not to be found in classrooms. He is found upon the forms. 65% of India's population is still agrarian. What are you doing in a classroom? The common man is found in the farm. Be there. Are you sure you want to remain a common person, a common man, a commoner? Yes? Or do you want to shine brilliantly? Yes? What do you want to do? If you want to really shine, then stop being that common man. India cannot be a piece of land.
So we are India.
But what is India?
So we all are India, which makes this. So it may be we say till some extent we say that it is a region where we live, but it is not belongs to only this region. This region.
Go more on that, more on that.
So it is all of us, our mind, thoughts, which makes this India.
Good, good, good. So it's not really land, but something in the mind. Is it a particular quality of the mind? See, the mind can be two things. One, all the conditioning that has come to the mind. Second, what did you discover mind is in the previous question? Yes, understanding. So what would you want India to be? What do you think India is? That belief, that conditioning, or is it something to do with understanding and intelligence? I tell you what my India is. I don't know about your common India. My India is not at all a piece of land because lands come and go. Till a few years back, Karachi and Lahore were India. Today you say bomb them, nuke them, kill them. Tomorrow another state of your country may not remain a part of your country. There is extremism and separatism everywhere. And then you will say kill them, bomb them. I was hearing a news item yesterday. There is a Japanese cartoon serial which is dubbed in Hindi and it has become very popular in Bangladesh. And Bangladeshi government has decided to ban it. Just because it is in Hindi. And that same Bangladesh was your Sonar Bangla till yesterday. Boundaries keep getting redrawn. It cannot be about boundaries drawn on land. It's something else. My India is the intelligence that first shone upon this earth. My India is the first intelligent word that came from the mouth of man. My India is the place which gave the world the witness, the very understanding of the self. And anybody who has intelligence, who can look at himself, is an Indian. And anybody who lives a stupid common life, even if he holds an Indian passport, he is not an Indian. The way I look at it, Einstein is an Indian. Martin Luther King is an Indian. Jesus is an Indian. And the vast majority of all of us living on this land, we are not at all Indians. Because India is not a piece of land. India is brilliance and intelligence and truth. And if India is not that, then India is worthless. There is very little, you go to somebody living in a distant land, you ask him, how do you know India? And if he happens to be an intelligent being, he will not say, I know India for its food items, for its dances, for the Taj Mahal, or anything else. If he is really intelligent, he will say, India is the place that gave the world its most important religions. India is the place that gave the world the first brightness of intelligence. That it's possible to understand. India is that. If you live in understanding, only then you deserve to be called an Indian. No drunken idiot going on with his common life deserves to be called an idiot, an Indian. No. It's not so cheap to be an Indian. My India does not have 1.3 billion people. It has a handful, just a handful. Want to be real Indians? Or want to be one of those 1.3 billion? Yeah? If you want to be real Indians, then please stop thinking that India is about India's cricket team, or that India is about waging a war with Pakistan, or that India is about the Agni missile. Sorry, India is not about any of these. Yes? Look at it broadly. Try to understand. This is the way we are living our entire life. These are the pillars of our life, right? Patriotism, family, education, career. These are the few words around which our life exists. Am I right? These are the very pillars on which our whole structure, our mental structure rests. Am I right? Today you are studying, and then you have a career and a family and kids and money, and these 6, 7, 8 words, they sum up your entire life. Love and children and security, that's what this is all about, right? Life is nothing but that fills up the mind. That's what is our life, correct? Do we understand it? Patriotism is such an important part of our everyday life. Is it or is it not? And we don't understand what patriotism is. Unfortunately, we do not understand anything.